My name's Jason Buck. I work with Remax Estate Properties, and I go around shooting video of homes so that you can see what they look like, maybe change your schedule and say, I've got to go see this house, it's amazing. Well, I'm at one of those amazing properties, and I think the property here is really one of the clinchers. So I'm in Rolling Hills. This is a gated community, private gates. There's 3 entrances, they're all guard gated. And most of the lots are magnificent, at least an acre, and they're all zoned for horses. And there's a bunch of other really neat facts about this neighborhood and this area. So if you have questions, I'd be happy to discuss. So we have a parking circle here. There's a garden, which used to have a tennis court, and then the garages are over that way. I was just checking out this trail here to see what happens. And they have broken up cement that they've used or relocated. And a little gazebo and a viewing side on this side. So this is the other side of the property, because that front side there has a view of the Queen's Necklace, which is amazing. Huge parcel. And you know, back here it is so incredibly private and quiet, and that's why it's special. So if you've never been to Rolling Hills, please call me up. I'll get you in for a tour. There's a few homes on the market right now that we could go see. So we walk into the dining room area, and then we pass through some windows and things to separate, and into this living room area. And here we start to get this view. So out straight ahead is what they call the Queen's Necklaces. We're looking up the beaches towards El Segundo, and then it starts to turn at Santa Monica. We'll go out in the yard in a minute. Let's look at the house. So this is the piano side and the living room side, all the bookshelves and things. Access to the outside. Here's our master suite. It's a giant vaulted suite. Wow, impressive. Big closet here. On into a bath. Huge bath. And then windows all around. There's a door that goes out, doors that go out, fireplace. Very nice. So let's see. So we'll come back to that. In through here is our listing agent. Hi, Bill.
Hey, buy it, good house.
So breakfast nook. This is our island for cooking and so forth. It's a pantry here. There's a dishwasher. This is the fridge. Wow. Laundry area. So there is a little bit of upgrades needed. Office. Incredible brown. Well, let's look here and then we'll go outside. In the bedroom. It's on bed. Full tub. And the closet is here. Bunch of rooms. 1, 2. And there's this bath. Full bath. Well, they have a generator. Here's the garage. It's pretty. Here's the outside. Giant, big barbecue area. Nice yard. Hot tub. Huh. Beautiful. So there was the master. These are those two living rooms. Kitchen here. Nice little outdoor area. And then here we have your other stuff. I think it's a chicken coop and a barn. Wow. This thing's pretty neat. Storage going on in there. Huh. Yeah, this is the barn. Hi. This might be a greenhouse. Yeah, greenhouse. It's cool. Well, incredible property. As you can imagine, living back here is just, it's a different world. Very private, very quiet, and secure. So if you got questions about the area or the house, or would like to see more activity, just give me a call. I'm happy to help. Make it a great day.